The Polaris 9650iQ Sport Robotic Cleaner. The process becomes a breeze. This state-of-the-art automatic vacuum combines advanced features, such as smart app connectivity, Wi-Fi compatibility, Amazon Alexa integration, a 70-feet swivel cable, strong suction power, and an easy-access filter canister. With its ability to clean pools up to 60 feet in length, this multicolored robotic cleaner takes pool maintenance to a whole new level. One of the standout features of the Polaris 9650iQ Sport is its smart app connectivity. Through the Polaris mobile app, you can conveniently control and program the cleaner from your smartphone or tablet. Whether you're at home or on the go, you have complete control over scheduling cleaning cycles, adjusting cleaning modes, and monitoring the cleaning progress. This smart technology puts pool maintenance at your fingertips, providing you with unparalleled convenience. The Wi-Fi compatibility and Amazon Alexa integration take the smart features of the Polaris 9650iQ Sport to the next level. With the ability to connect the cleaner to your home's Wi-Fi network, you can control and monitor it remotely using voice commands through Alexa-enabled devices. Imagine simply saying, "Alexa, clean the pool," and watching as the robotic cleaner springs into action, effortlessly keeping your pool clean and ready for enjoyment. The 70-feet swivel cable is a game-changer in terms of convenience and efficiency. Its swivel design prevents tangling, allowing the cleaner to move freely and cover every inch of your pool. You no longer have to worry about interruptions or manually untangling the cable. The extended length ensures that the cleaner can effortlessly reach every corner, providing a thorough and comprehensive clean. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel since I upload useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up with our innovative items because they will make your life more simpler.